Hey guys, so I'm very excited to launch this series of videos. I'm calling it Cloud Code Basics. So it's a starter pack which will help you first understand what Cloud Code is, then help you install it, then learn the agentic behavior, and then ship or build some agents and some actual maybe an app, right? And so we'll see. So it's divided into 3 modules and 12 basically sections, right? So let's jump into it. It will be exciting. You will learn a lot of things, but it's from very basic, and we'll go through the advanced features of Cloud Code. Hello guys. So in this series of videos, we will cover Cloud Code Basics. So this is the this will cover like multiple lessons. Let me just go to exactly how we divided the course so you can follow along. So Cloud Code Basics, module by module, we will cover so foundations, which will be what is basically meet your AI builder. What is Cloud Code, right? What is the bigger idea here? Then we will go over how to set up Cloud Code. It will take only 10 minutes. You can set it up there are a couple of ways to set it up. We'll cover both. And then stay in control, permissions and plan mode, like some different options of different modes and different models which are available, right? And then build and ship would be, we'll build some website, right? We'll create a prompt recipe. We'll build a multi-page site, right? Basically, I will just show you how I built this my Wipe the Coder website, which is it will have it's kind of, it will have home, courses, community, about, join, right? So we can go over that. So if we go back here, where were we? Okay. So we were here. Talk to your code, screenshots and files. We go over things there, like exactly how do you refine your code, and then how do you ship it, connect to GitHub, deploy it on your domain, or you can do it on Cloudflare or Vercel for now, or you can then point your domain to the actual hosted site. Okay, and then some advanced features about Cloud Code. Even though I say advanced, it's still basics, but within basics, it's the next level. So we'll talk about what is cloud.md, why and how do you clear your context, different models and how the costing really, how to be careful which models you're using, and then make just create your first skill using Cloud Code. And I'll go over what skills are and how do we create one, right? So, and then there could be some good to know the menu, decoded, what those buttons do. And then we'll move to the next. I'll create a course for a series, which is Cloud Code Pro, and which will go into more finer details. Okay. Thanks. I will come back with the next video very soon. And as I said, we will follow this structure.